off.
Well, it wasn't a grand. It wasn't a grand. That's true. It was perfect, just like we planned. Yeah. Yeah. That's 25.
Yeah, I got an 8. Are you at?
All yours, Scooter. We're at 25. Let us know something.
I got the fan, then I got the stack.
Pull a cap, Barry. You want to watch? Swim the shore.
Okay, this is you after this. Body, body. Yeah, we can even slow down a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No. Right behind you, Brian.
Your head's in the camera. Not that it matters. Your head's more important.
All right. Put it up. Shoot that motherfucker. How you doing, Nick?
After you get to 50%, I got a fan.
Hey, Bear.
Where are you? You guys will take a gas 50 now that I've never been.
Behind it.
Wow, that thumped hard. I don't have that. I got a stack.
Behind you, Bear. I think you're at 50. I'm done on the outside. Pretty much, eh? You almost done on the outside?
We're doing the whole board.
Oh, you are?
What's that? 50 on this?
I am, yeah.
Okay. I don't think we're at. Fire in the hole, look at me. Are you guys there?
I know.
Yeah, let me do a stack and a fan, and then you can hit that. What's that? You're doing a stack and a fan, and 10-4. Okay, let's do it. Okay, top to body. Here we go. I got a stack. Okay, I got a fan, and then chain.
Let it hang, let it hang. Let it hang.
Hit it.
Scooter, let it hang.
Hit it.
Alright, I got a green stroke fan coming up.
Hit it. Hit it.
Right, you're
Okay,
fucking
after this fan, hit that chain. And then I'm going to put up a stack.
Let it hang.
Body.
Let it hang.
Look at that green.
Hit the chain. Perfect. Come on, Scooter.
You, Scooty.
Hey, buddy.
No, body. Body up to 75. Fire in the hole here, Jeff. Look out.
God damn it.
Anytime.
What's the matter?
Watch yourself.
10 minutes.
How many?
Here, firefight. Okay, pace ourselves out a little bit.
Yeah.
Remember, we had more behind the mid than before.
Behind you, Brian.
Behind you, Brian. Hold on, let's go. Okay. Brian, you might want to slow down on your sixes a little.
I don't even think I'm at 50% yet.
No? Okay. Double check it and make
Hit
sure.
it, Vic.
I got an 8.
Take it.
I'm right at 50%. Oh, it's already went. It's already went. Go. You gotta tell us that.
Behind you, Brian.
Hey guys, get me up to 75%. And I got 3 stacks in a row.
Come here, Barry.